Hey everybody, this is Chris. Today I'm going to share with you the adventure I had in Las Vegas carving a sign for CAT Footwear. Hundreds of shoe companies were together at the Las Vegas Convention Center to share their fall lineup with vendors. This was part shoe show, part fashion show. Obviously I fit right in. This place was massive. In true Las Vegas fashion, I set up on top of a bar. And then spent the next 3.5 hours carving. Vendors put their business card in a bowl, and then at the end of the day we had a party and raffled it off. Needless to say, this was a very popular attraction.
Looks good.
Now, how did I do it? First, I traced the letters in pencil, and then I removed the wood from around them. I was carving for about 15 seconds, and then the president of CAT Footwear came up to me and said, "Hey Chris, could you please carve a little quieter? We're having business meetings in the back." So I said, "Sure thing, Steve. You're the boss." And so I carved very quietly. There's just one problem. His name wasn't Steve. It's Ander. He wore a name tag that said in big letters, Ander. I have no idea why I called him Steve all day long. I went up and apologized to Ander and asked him why he didn't correct me when I called him Steve. And he said, "Oh Chris, you're in such a role, I didn't want to stop you. Ander, once again, I'm sorry for calling you Steve, and I appreciate you being so gracious about it." To add color to the letters, I crushed up pastel chalk and rubbed it into the grain, and then I spray lacquered it at the end to seal in the powder. The advantage of this approach is you can still see the grain pattern through the colors, which is the whole point of carving a sign out of wood. Of course I couldn't spray lacquer inside the building, so I had to walk all the way outside again. I had a great time. Thank you so much to CAT Footwear for giving me the opportunity to carve your great logo. Oh, and at the party they had these real cool cat drinking glasses, so I took a couple extra. And to my fellow YouTubers, if anyone ever offers to fly you to Las Vegas to carve something for them, do it. Thanks everybody, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to me on YouTube, and you can follow the progress of my projects on my Instagram page @ShopWithChris.